Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So in this video today, I'm going to be creating 2 floral arrangements and displaying them for you. So come on with me guys. Now the florals for these arrangements did come from the Dollar Tree, and the vases, they were DIY'd and they were thrifted items. Now this video today is part of a collaboration called Styling My Way, and this is being hosted by Design with Emma, myself, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. We do have some beautiful co-hosts, so let me mention them. We have Sandyland's Home and Garden, Being Mel B, Dream with Caroline, May's Design Corner, and Secondhand Tracy Ann. Now this video today also has a theme, and it's Luxe for Less. Now, as you can see here, I definitely like to poof these out. And then I did want to tell you that these bunches of florals came from the Dollar Tree. They're normally available during Valentine's Day and Mother's Day. And I'm not sure, that's probably the only time of the year I see them. And they come in a bunch. They were $3, now they're $5. But even if you were to buy a handful that would equal this amount at $1.75, you would be spending a lot more money than what I have here. So I grabbed 3 bunches, so the flowers cost $15. It is very full and it's just gorgeous, guys, these colors. They add the greenery to it and the 2 different shades of colors. I just bought a bunch of separate greenery that was also $5. Now, I pull this back so that you can see how full it is. We're going to go ahead and put this in the vase. And then once we're done arranging this, we'll be heading on over to the reveal. So I think these came out absolutely gorgeous. Look at that, nice and full. Let's head on over to the reveal. Now these bouquet of flowers is so inexpensive, budget friendly, and don't these make some great gifts for mom, for birthdays, for celebrations, you name it. This makes a nice gift on a budget. Now let's move on over to the second arrangement and also the second vase. Now this vase came from the Dollar Tree. I love the shape of that vase. And then I went ahead and DIY'd this with BB Craft items. Here are the 2 bouquets that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. Are they not gorgeous? They are gorgeous. So we're going to go ahead, arrange these in this vase, and then we'll head on over to the reveal of this beautiful bouquet. Now, I think this is absolutely gorgeous and definitely luxe for less. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.